Divine Mercy Shrine was built in 2008. It serves as a pilgrimage site for Divine Mercy devotees. Divine Mercy located at El Salvador City, Misamis Oriental, Philippines. The shrine includes a church, and the big statue is accessible via 200 steps, and also the management enforces a dress code, which is the long skirt for women. The Divine Mercy Shrine is flocked by many people during Vesperas and Fiesta, and they wait for the sun to change colors like rainbow.